The most nicest and sweet pit bull. Hi, Mowgli! Come! Say hi to the camera. Hi. Oh!
Camera siya eh.
Hindi. Dito niya. Dito sa camera. Ang cute-cute niya. Hello! This is one of the two dogs here in the hostel. Mowgli! Mowgli! Come here!
It's time to hunt. It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt!
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt!
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt!
Hapon? Mowgli! Hello! Oh, nandito pa yung chihuahua. Hi, Lila. Hi, Mowgli. Come here. Hello. So, good morning. Good morning. Mowgli! Lila. A pit bull and a chihuahua. Malanding chihuahua. Mowgli! Asan na siya? I can't find Mowgli. So, oops, sorry. Alright, good morning everyone. This is your 100 James. I'm actually just about to finish edit some vlogs. I already have uploaded some my first video for this entire series. It's like my own travel hack or travel essential video. So right now I'm actually up. By the time you're actually watching this one, you should have watched the hitchhike video, because that's how I actually got here. And yeah, it's 7:41 a.m. here in Baler, and it was raining last night. I wasn't able to actually do much vlogging yesterday because I just basically had a down day, so lazy day. So yeah, actually I'm eating pandesal right now. Remember my supposedly pandesal video? No, because breakfast is at 9 and I already am having coffee. I woke up like 5 a.m. 5-ish, even though I slept like almost past 1 or almost 2. But it's okay. I was able to rest anyway. I think that's enough. And yeah, maybe I'll just tour around some more, show you some places, and maybe do the city tour proper, because I wanna maximize my time here in Baler, my own vacation and all. So let's see what's gonna go. So this is Mommy Phoebe's. This is like also part of the hostel, and it's really a good place. It has really good smoothies, really good breakfast, and actually a nice corner somewhere out here. In that corner. It's really good. This is the complimentary breakfast na, no? Oo. The most nicest and sweet pit bull. Hi, Mowgli! Come! Say hi to the camera. Hi. Oh!
Camera siya eh.
Hindi. Dito niya. Dito sa camera. Ang cute-cute niya. Hello! This is one of the two dogs here in the hostel. Mowgli! Mowgli! Come here! Come here! Ha! Cute niya! So it's like way past lunchtime. I haven't eaten anything yet. I was actually planning to do a feature of about the food streets of food things over here in Bohol, but I realized they don't really have any delicacies, but most of them are actually seafood. So I'm actually trying to look for a good place where I can just like get some grilled seafood, like squids and everything, and basically street foods. But I guess I'm too late now. I'll try to actually cover some today, and it's actually a pretty windy afternoon, and the waves are not really the usual. Whenever it's lunchtime, it's quite down. But right now, I think it's really actually going well. People are actually going out to surf. So I guess that's just it. Oh, okay. Ay, may pineapple shake kayo? Ayan lang? Pineapple shake. Pineapple shake? Magkano ho? Magkano kalaki? Isa ho.
Keep your hair stand up to the sun. Stay summer strong with Panties new UV Rescue Limited Edition. Provide.
That's how we do.
Liw-liwa pala oh!
Huh?
Liw-liwa pala. Alright, so I just got some pineapple juice. I haven't eaten anything yet for the lunchtime. And guess what? I actually saw Chuck from the Liw-liwa event, Liwalize It vlog, and when we hijacked a car.
Yeah.
that's epic. Oh, you're here at the grill. Alright. I was just actually walking around and guess who I actually saw, so like, okay.
You're friends with Ellie, right?
Hi, yeah.
Janine.
Hello.
Yeah, wala siyang buzzers.
Wow.
2 hours later.
Okay, update. Because the last video, the last time I actually used this camera was like when I saw Chuck, a good friend of mine. We shared some lunch over like a few grilled foods, lempo and some fish. And since then, I actually took a downtime because it's so humid here in the Philippines. And I actually went down a surf, but I wasn't able to have some footage because I ain't got no GoPro. So I don't want to risk this camera anyway. But I actually got some cool photos that I'll be flashing some of it, but go to my Instagram, you can actually see the best photos that I actually got. I got legs and calves for days, girl.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to actually look it out. And right now, actually, we're just gonna grab some dinner and actually have Joy.
Hi,
Oreo.
hi everyone.
We're gonna have like find a dinner and then maybe
Yeah,
Oh.
we're searching for grilled puset.
we're in the search
Hopefully.
of grilled
Hopefully.
puset. Grilled puset. Squid, yo, squid. Yeah, we're in the search for that one, and then we might go to Elia Surf Camp and because there's like an event there,
Yeah.
so maybe we can catch some little bit celebrities there. So good luck. Yes, Joy. Kunti lang. I tried vlogging it kasi that's the stupid me. I did everything on myself and I can actually ask her to hold the camera. Not lang. Naka-auto ka.
Ah, naka-auto ka? Ayun.
Ano problem sa camera na yan? Touchscreen kasi siya. Kaya
Ah, oo nga no.
kasi wala siyang flip na ano.
Nagre-record pa rin pala.
Oh my God, ang dami nung kanin pa lang. Ano na siya.
2 hours later.
Okay, this is unfortunate. I'm losing my voice, one. And two, my right eye is actually swollen. I don't know if you can actually tell. Another thing is that drugstores are closed. Even Mercury Drug is closed. It should be 24/7. So I don't know what I'm actually doing right now. I'm actually looking online on a remedy, on what I can actually do right now. I'm not really sure if it's an allergic reaction or it got bit by an insect or something. But I'm leaning towards the allergic reaction because of the fact that I'm starting to get itchy. So I have to be early tomorrow and check the drugstore if they have, because it's not the eyelid, it's the under eye. So it's bigger than, I already have big eye bags, so it's worse. I have bigger bag right now. So just to recap, we were able to actually went to Aliyah, but it's quite dead. And then when we got there, we just realized that my eyes are actually my right eye is swelling because I've been itching and I've been trying to rub it off and everything. And then I asked Joy about it, and then he said, yeah, your right eye is swelling. So I don't know what's going on. I hope I'll try to sleep it in and do some stuff because it's also raining. So I hope everything works fine. Anyway, I think that's it for today. I'll just catch the next vlog. Bye. Oh, if you don't know what to do today, it's time to hunt.